So when I picked up the vehicle from the lads, I noticed that there was a bit of play in the Slickshift, in the gear change. Yeah, it was just very loose. It just didn't feel right. And then it just dawned on me that a number of years ago, about 10 years ago, I used to work as a freelance photographer and writer for a number of magazines, camping and four-wheel drive magazines in Australia. And on one particular shoot, I was about, 1500 kilometers from Sydney, and I ended up doing in the gearbox. And so I ended up having to drive to the nearest garage, and they did fix the gearbox for me. And when I was making my way back to Sydney, I realised similar issue as here, in that the change of gears was just too loose. There was something not right. So I went straight to a mechanic in Sydney, and he was able to tell me straight away what the problem was. And basically it was as simple as these two springs. So if you see them there, those springs need to be up over the nuts, and it's just a matter of getting the pliers and getting them up over those nuts and locking them into place. And that actually improves the gear change by reducing the sloppiness and minimising the travel. It gives you a much smoother gear change. And it was as simple as that. That's all it was. So anybody can do that job. It's a pretty straightforward one, and it was a big relief.